today we're gonna play this playtest. I think it says it's like 15-20 minutes, just to kind of like get us like thirsty for the game. And then we have two options. We have That Witch Gave Chase, which I know about but I've never played. But we're dog sledding and it's cold. Or we can play Arctic Eggs, which is by the same dev as about fishing. That my ears are in the way of the title. So Arctic Eggs is a game I have played, but I love. Where we are flipping eggs. We're flipping eggs. They're both like very mouse control physicsy games. So it's up to you guys. Flip egg. I don't know if Drac is here at the moment or if he is up doing stuff, but Drac, if you are here, when we're done with this game, if maybe we can poll or something. Poll the two options. I guess I could do it. I guess I could be not lazy and do it. Also, we'll see. I will do it if at the end of this game, I do not have someone to keep me from being lazy about. Okay. So, egg. Unless everybody unanimously wants to play egg. Then I guess we can just do egg. But, you know, I'll try and be democratic. Okay. So let's play game. I didn't have anything interesting happen today. Like, I feel like normally I'm like, this is what happened today. And I tell you guys about it, but I just worked. I just worked and nothing interesting happened. The most interesting part of my day was I was watching Vi before, and she was talking about like the circumference of her wrist, and I was like, oh, I wonder, I should measure that. I want to know too. And I just learned that it's real small, and then I went, I'm never gonna tell anybody this. I feel like every time I'm like, oh, this is thing, people just go, that's weird, are you okay? And I'm like, yeah, I just have little teeny tiny hands and little pointy non-existent feet. They're not small anorexic mouse feet, wrists. I just have very small, like, hands and my past feet. It's like they were not built correctly. It's not like, oh, I don't know, it's like, I don't know. It's like a weird connection. It doesn't fit. Yeah, they are built for decks, but I'm unfortunately like not a dex build. Put them back in the dirt and like grow more. That's actually probably pretty smart. Oh shit, I wasn't reading that. Wait for the true bite, not the whispers? I was clicking too many times. With an early dance, the hook betrays itself. Oh, my bad. I'm just supposed to wait for it. Okay. Got him. Rotate fish towards yourself using the mouse. Oh. No, sir. No, sir. That's my fucking fish. And hi, Virus. Stared longingly at your stuck car thinking about groceries. Oh, I'm sorry about your internet. Maybe it's because of all the bad weather. Oh, okay, so Hyrule, do you want to see this dev's other game too? It's one of the options. It's one of the options for game after this. This is me as a child, except when I have a picture of myself as a little mouse at my grandparent mouse's farm, like, and Mama Mouse is holding me, and I've caught my very first fish, and I'm crying. Yeah. Also, I realized I really need to, I need to get the 7TV emote so people can type Joel and have a rotating fish pop up. Ruffles for Dindin, you really need groceries. Hey, people. that fish in your hand. It's not the type of fish you eat. You should put it back. Can I hold it? Okay. I love Joel. I love Joel so much. We need Joel and Joel are an evil Joel. I thought he was about to put it in his mouth. Now you're awoken? Good. Yeah, we have fishing to do. The butterfly of the sea. Amazing. These little fellas don't usually care about hooks. I've lost whole afternoons trying to get one just to look at me. Oh. Not me. My hook. That's a little... I don't know. This cigarette smoke, he's old. Old buddy of mine, though, he couldn't catch anything else. Ever. Drove him crazy. Started just swallowing these guys. Oh, no, I was thinking about him just popping that fish in his mouth the way he's looking at it, so apparently. Said it saved him time. Don't. Please don't. Okay, thank God. How'd you catch this? Put my hook in the water. Yeah. Mermaid. GoldenEye 64 textured game character. I know, I love it though. I tried to put like a little pixel filter on top of me for these games, but I couldn't make it look right. Would you like a curly fry? Hell yeah. Ruin my appetite. These are the best kind. I love the ones with a slight orange hue. Do you like one? Yes. Our hands are a bit ripe with fish at the moment. So why don't you put it away in my tackle box here? Then go out and catch a few more. Can I? Oh no, give me that fish back. Once it's all filled, we can wrap up here. Curly fries and alcohol is a fucking combo. Yeah, this honestly looks... It's not a pixel filter, you need a dither... Yeah, there wasn't a dithering option though. So I was trying to get as close as I could. Because there was no dither. The visuals of Arctic eggs do too. Aren't curly fries supposed to be orange? I don't know. Maybe wash our hands, then eat these curly fries? Yeah, but where do we wash our hands? It's just like... Oh man, hearing the music a little bit in the background is like... Oh, hey buddy. Can you see me? Can you... Hello? I'm gonna try and cast better. Now that I can see the fishy. And hi, Puffin! You know this game? I'm so excited for it to come out. Like, but I'm just thinking about how much I, like, love... Oh, shit. I thought he'd like it that it looked a little alive. And hi, Xena. Hello. Okay. Wee. Oh, yeah. Wee. Come on. I'm not being impatient. Animal Crossing has trained me well. The rod controls they're like a... Oh, hell no. They're like a little hard to tell. But like you have to like set it up and calibrate it like at the beginning of the game. And they're probably... It's like nice. The movement's nice. Hey people. What about this fish? Yep. That's another fish. You feel like you handled it with care? I watched you catch it. Yeah, I do. Regardless, into the box. Other guy's waiting. Do you believe fish feel pain? Yes. Honestly? I'm not sure. I mean, I feel like why... Yeah, they do. they do. Oh, look, apparently a lot of stuff fits in this guy's box. One fish closer. Oh, we should go out to the dock. I bet there's hella good fish out here. Also, as much as like this is relaxing, like fishing with Peepaw, I don't know that I really want to stand outside. Whoa, 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 whoa! Stand outside and like fish in the rain. Yeah, very TARDIS tackle box. Like, you know, can this guy fit? Dude, look at it. Your eyes are looking directly at my bait. Yeah, yeah. Come here. How are you gonna get this bait, this little thing in your mouth, buddy? I'm having a hard time, like, getting him up. This fish is so much harder than the other fish. Oh my god. No. You're coming to me. You're coming to me. You're coming to me. I am so determined. I'm sorry, I locked hard on fishing. We were so close. We were so close. I can't see anything. Okay, so this is like very early playtest for controls of this game. Here's my problem. The camera angle is painful. When the fish turns and you cannot see where the fish is, you think you've seen this before. This playtest came out like a month ago, maybe, I think. You wonder if it's a gar? I don't know. I don't think it's a gar. Gars have more rounded nose, I think. I think this is like a needlefish, right? Question mark? I don't know a whole lot about fish. You're gonna put a hook through you and cast you out as bait? Hey, Drac, can I ask you to do me a favor? And make a poll if you're here on Not Mobile? They do, yeah. Look, I'm not much of a fisherman, but I am an aquarium goer. Poll next game, Arctic eggs or that which gave chase. Well, here's the thing. Doing anything in mod, on mobile, as just anyone, is fucking terrible. And I would never ask someone to do that. Needle nose gar. Could be. Your dad's primary hobby has been fishing your entire life? Mine too. My dad's a fly fisher though, so I don't know a whole bunch about ocean fish. Feels like the fish are coming to you now. This one did not come to me, Peepaw. This one really didn't want to come here at all. Like they want to tell you something. I don't really feel that way. Okay, wait, it says needlefish. I was right. I feel so powerful right now. I'm glad you didn't, because everyone would have just been like, Rimwhirl. And Rimwhirl's not cold. Well, I guess I could just, I could have started a base somewhere cold, because I was like playing a cold game. But I could have just lived somewhere cold. Like the opposite of what I'm doing. the river? Fishes on the river. The is the only river. Look, I know several rivers. We've got the Mississippi River. We've got other rivers that are, you know, other places. And hi, Gustas. Triple cold snap challenge with bucket. Nothing happens for 18 hours. I don't even know what that... Rimworld with Twitch integration would be fun sometime. I would like to do that. And hi, Lahonk. Oh, wow. That's a whole bunch for one game over the other. Far too big, very local. See, here's the problem. I only know my local rivers, and I feel like if I guess my local river, you know, how's our favorite mouse? I'm doing very well. I'm fishing. I'm a fishing champion. I wonder if there's a fish out here. Oh wait, no, I see one. I see one. I see one. I see one. Come here. This is a papa fish. This is a papa fish. You're saying guess is a joke? Don't hurt yours. The current! Okay. Okay. We have to think. We have to be smart. We have to be smart about this. Fishing champion? More like fishing chud? No, I'm a fishing champion. Yeah. Please take that. I hooked around a rock. This is not good. Okay. Okay. No, you fish son of a bitch, get around the rock. Peepaw! And hi, Skull, hello, hello. You wish you were a fucking GameCube game so you could be in a box and be indestructible? Forgot to tell you. When fighting these bigger fish, okay, okay, the more you pull, the more he jumps, the more tense your line becomes. If it starts making noises and turning red, quit reeling for a moment to get... Okay, well, I knew that. I just was being a little bit greedy. I'm not gonna lie, I was being a little bit greedy. And, I'm gonna see if I can not get caught on the rock this time. You come here. You come here. Ah, fuck. Okay. No, I need to... okay. I have to use the rock strat. More rock, actually. I need my line to catch so we can grab it. I think this is our grandpa, and he is very cool so far. Yeah, it's rainbow trout. Right? I guess it could... You know what? I think it's rainbow trout. God damn it. I thought it had it. I thought it had it. You ever see the video where the guy trashes an OG Xbox, PS2, and a GameCube, including putting them through a washing machine and dragging them behind a truck at high speeds, tries to run them over, and the Xbox and PS2 don't work? And yeah, that's what I'm saying, is the GameCube's, like, it works. It just works. It just works. Yeah, rainbow trout. I kind of sometimes get, like, cherry salmon a little mixed up, but it does not... It looks like trout to me. Come on, buddy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, you shouldn't have let people... Or can we do one where people can't pay for more? Oh fuck, sorry, I'm like half paying attention. I'm like really focused on the fish. No shame, no shame. Fuck! No, fine, we'll go catch a different fish. We'll go catch a different fish. Yeah, I want it to be like a standard, like actual one person, one pick each. I'm playing Arctic Eggs just for that. I love Arctic Eggs. It's an amazing game. Oh my god, do I have to go get the salmon? Or trout or whatever? Definitive next game. Oh, I think I do. Fuck. I suck though. Oh, wait, there might be some on the other area. I keep trying to sprint. And if anyone could guess, there's not sprinting. Wait. There's not sprinting. There's a bunch of you little guys. You hungry? Oh. I swear I was fast. I swear I was fast. Look, here's the thing. Oh, and hi, Vibin. Everybody has a lot. I think most people have, like, a lot of points. Come on. Come on, you guys. I'm pretty sure you can see it from there. Maybe not. Okay, just kidding. Just kidding. Oh. And yeah, do not freeze at the store, Vibin. Do not freeze at the store. It's gonna snow here again. Oh my god. You don't have enough points to bring Swole Bucket into reality? It loaded. I mean, we did as much as we're allowed to do today. Jesus, I'm bad at fishing. That one roam pole. Oh, the like... Yeah. Wait, this is a baby fish. He said bigger fish. This is like one singular teeny tiny fish. I was determined. I was so determined. No, I would never. And hi, Axel. Hello. I would never play League. And if I did, I would play Nami and I'd bottom lane support. But I would never. And hi, Playtest. Hello. How else it be? I'm not. I haven't touched League in 12 years? And I don't ever want to do it again. We should talk. Why? Huh? You might be thinking of wandering off further. Find bigger fish. Listen. Empty boat came in yesterday. Slipped on shore, quiet as anything. 2 kids were supposed to be on it. Couldn't find a trace. The water's keeping quiet. So please, stay where I can see you. More importantly, can't wait. Can't wait. And hi, Mike. Hello. Hi. I am not a League player. I played League 12 years ago. But I am not a League player. Yeah, also, it's raining on top of the curly fries. Like what? Like, what do you mean, Peepaw, that we're gonna, like... Do I regret it? Yeah, it actually was not a good time. They're waiting for you. I'll get him, people. I'm gonna get this salmon. Trout. I'm gonna get this trout. Oh, no, I'm gonna go right past it. Arctic eggs. Okay, Arctic eggs. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna be real conservative this time. Egg. And you guys get to see how bad I flip eggs. What's my favorite fish to eat? Yellowtail? Would it actually be possible to play Seaman today? I'm sure, like, you could emulate it, probably. Please look at bait, buddy. Please look. Bone cells live around 25 years. Bucket's bones were still here when she was a League player. So my skeleton is a League player? Yeah, my skeleton has played bottom lane Nami. Oh, eel is really good too. I went to a ramen restaurant with Mama Mouse and Step Papa Mouse, and they had unagi don, and yeah. Come on. And I got Mama Mouse to try it. And Step Papa Mouse. But Mama Mouse was like, this is yummy. And Step Papa Mouse is like, this is not good. I don't like eel. He did not like the texture. Which I was like, that's fine. I can understand that. It's kind of like the texture of eel's a little weird. Yes! Yes! Wah! I am the best fisherman! I am the best fisherman! Wah! No, it was good eel. I liked it. It was really yummy. He just didn't like the texture of it, which I can understand. It's very sweet, yeah. Oh, no, it's very sweet. Oh, I see what Hyrule said. Yeah, it's really tasty, really, really good flavor. It's... I don't really know how to describe it. But eel's fantastic. If good. Also, I do think it depends on, like, what type of water the eel lived in. Oh, there he is. I was like, hello, Peepaw? Where'd you go? I brought you a fish. Okay, needlefish, rainbow trout, yellow tang, red snapper. Oh, there's some good fish. We got some quality fish in here. With your hands? I love brackish water eels. Yeah, I know. Well, I guess he could see me. He said like stay where I can see you. And from the dock, he could definitely just see me down the shore a little. The butterflies are gathering again. You see them? I do, people. I get the feeling that all this is not for me. You think you're ready? Maybe? Cautious. I respect that. I spent a lot of time with fish. I desperately try to get into the fish's head, feel what they're feeling. And I can say for certain that once caught, fish actually get pretty depressed. Yeah, no shit, dude. Yeah. Yeah. What do you mean? Yeah. I was wrapped around the fishing line like a snake. That's creepy. They seek guidance from anyone or anything. If you're earnest, they'll listen. I'm giving you the tackle box. Open it with tab. I want you to look inside, but this time, look for a fish you're willing to lose. Right-click to remove him from the box. Use that fish to find whatever it is these tangs want to show us, and then wrap your line around it to bring it back. What? Oh. What the fuck? I didn't really, like, expect to... I don't know how to oh. Never mind, I see. Yeah, come on, lady. Yeah, I'm controlling the fish. Yeah, the fish is, like, strong. This is almost as deep as your nose when you pick it. Do you ever find a woman like this? Yeah? Oh, hello. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Only men in your notes? The post weird fish event curly fry scene with Grandpa? Oh, we got her. Grandpa, can I eat my curly fries now that you have this woman corpse? Oh. The camera moving away slightly and the music, like, getting slightly softer. That's a big fish. That's a good catch right there, daughter, granddaughter, whatever you are. What are you just yanking on it for, buddy? Yeah, Saki fries him warm beer. Hook's really stuck this time. Tangled with her hair. Use some scissors, buddy. You can just cut it out. Yeah. Yeah, it's very, like... Arctic Eggs is very much the same way. I don't know how this happened. I told you she grabbed the line. Well, I think you found the missing girls. Well, I found missing girl. Maybe. What are their names? It's not important now. I think it is. There were two of them, siblings. Strawberry Blonde. Where's the other one? Not sure. From what I understand, they were inseparable. They've been missing long? Yes, for a while. Maybe a month? You looking for clues? Should I go back and check for some? Yeah, this scene's really cool. I think you'll like Arctic Eggs. Go said the same thing about the scene. I guess you should really watch Twin Peaks. I haven't actually ever seen Twin Peaks. When are they cooking the fish? I don't even think we're eating them. You don't eat yellow tang. Should we call the police? I mean, I feel like our character is pretty nervous, and Grandpa's very chill. Kids shouldn't be comfortable asking all these questions. This is not normal. Well, people, answering your questions, that is not normal. What? Grandpa is acting suspicious. My hands are shaking. Oh, no. Still, I'll try to cut the hook loose. I think we should call the police, Grandpa. Yeah, Grandpa knows something. But I mean, we also saw a mermaid. And I feel like, yeah, I feel like there's something going on out here. Grandpa knows about it. Keeping the hair? It's so brittle. It's soft. It was marinated in sea salt. Grandpa is a merman? Maybe. Grandpa, don't touch that. I'm gonna bring her somewhere safe. What? No, Grandpa, you gotta call the what? Stay here? Well, you told me not to leave your sight. And I'll just keep fishing. I mean, we do know where it's been. It's been in the water. The fish around here might have been the last witnesses to a murder. What do you mean? Fish do poop in there. It's gross. Yeah, why is Grandpa just taking the body? Why is he taking that? And why is he like... Oh shit, do we start our smoking arc now? We take our cigarette, we start fishing, we take up Grandpa's... Curly fry! Her hair looked like a curly fry. That slight orange hue. Far below the surface. Oh, and then we're an adult. Somewhere. Oh, we're looking at the curly fry because it reminds us of the girl's hair we found when we were a kid. I see. Very cool. And we did become a smoking fisherman, just like Peepaw! Oh, man, fantastic. I can't wait for this game to come out. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. It's like this thing we see when we're a kid and we don't... It's just like Grandpa, how he's been trying to catch the yellow tang, like, forever. Yeah, super great, super great. I already have it wishlisted, but about fishing, people should check it out. People should check it out.